का OIC वज़राह के इत्लाआत से इजलास, आइए आपको बराह रास्त ले चलते हैं।
We must continue to uphold basic freedoms. We must capitalize on the momentum generated by the adoption of UN General Assembly Resolution designating 15th March as International Day to Combat Islamophobia. We request the OIC Secretary General and the Chair to accord priority to appointment of a special envoy on Islamophobia as mandated by the Council of Foreign Ministers resolution in Islamabad. Formation of an OIC-led panel of experts would be useful to advise the OIC in dealing with incidents of Islamophobia as well as providing the support to the victims of Islamophobia in the evolving landscape of cyberspace. Excellencies, Pakistan pays tribute to the steadfastness of the Kashmiri and Palestinian people and calls upon the media in member states to continue providing maximum coverage to the suffering and brave struggle of the Kashmiri and Palestinian people who continue to face relentless aggression and violations of basic rights at the hands of Indian and Israeli occupation forces. Media in the OIC geography must accord priority to highlighting the systematic violations and transgressions and inform as well as educate the world on the reality and the magnitude of ensuing human rights and humanitarian crisis in occupied territories. On its part, Pakistan has been consistently leading peace efforts in the region from the front. We hope that Pakistan's efforts for durable peace and long-term development in the region will be reciprocated. Ladies and gentlemen, the OIC members must also coordinate their efforts to use wide-ranging media tools and options for showcasing true image of Islam and its teaching, propagation of tolerance and peaceful coexistence, and rejection of extremism and terrorism. In this regard, I would like to put forward the following recommendations to this August House. We will establish strategic partnerships among media organizations in the OIC member states. We should establish joint Islamic media action institutions for propagation of Islamic values, life tolerance, and for the prevention of disinformation in the true spirit of Islamic solidarity. Department of Information of the OIC General Secretariat should lead collective efforts to counter disinformation and Islamophobia. It can select journalists from the member states and organize exchange visits, field trips to Jammu and Kashmir and Palestine with a view to facilitating investigative journalism with factual reporting by the respective media outlets. OIC should institutionalize tangible targets for culture and media exchange. We can also utilize the huge potential of screen tourism to enhance mutual understanding of our religion, people, and cultures amongst OIC member states. Finally, we should establish a working group on disinformation, misinformation, and Islamophobia in the age of social media and cyberspace. The working group will work in an intersessional mode with the objective of sharing experiences, lesson learned, and case studies. The platform could also be used for standard setting by utilizing best practices and legislation across the OIC member states. Pakistan offers to host the first meeting of the working group as recommended above. I would like to conclude by saying that I am confident that constructive deliberations during this session will contribute meaningfully to our collective effort to counter disinformation and Islamophobia and enhance our mutual cooperation to ensure we can squarely and effectively address these challenges. I thank you for it.
वफाकी वजीर मरियम औरंगजेब का ओआईसी वज़राह से इजलास जारी है। हाजिर होते हैं ब्रेक के बाद, हमारे साथ रहिएगा।